80 animals.
Seal.
Hello, everyone. I am glad to see you again. Are you having a good time with 80 animals? Great! I'm having a good time as well. This time we will learn about seals. This is a seal. It has a very cute face. First, let's learn some words using pictures.
Flexible. The girl has a bar. The bar is flexible. It means the girl can bend the bar, but the bar doesn't break. Sort. There are different vegetables in the picture. There are sorts of vegetables. We say sort when people or things have something in common. The carrot is a sort of vegetable. Flipper. The circles show the whale's flippers. They look like fish fins or animal legs. Flippers are flat, and whales use them for swimming. Seals and penguins also have flippers.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Sort. Flipper. Flexible.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
What sea animal plays with a ball at the zoo? It's a seal. A seal is smart and flexible, so it can play with a ball in all sorts of ways. A seal has 4 legs. The legs look like flippers. The front legs are large and the hind legs are small. It swims well using its flexible body and legs. It can also walk on land. When it walks, it uses all 4 legs. A seal spends most of its time in the sea. It's also found on land near the sea. Which legs of a seal are large? Front legs. Hind legs. What is true about a seal? Its body is flexible. It can't walk. What is true? A seal at the zoo can play with a ball. A seal spends most of its time on land.
How was the class? Did you like it? Good! This is the end of our lesson. I will see you next class. Goodbye!